Hi, welcome to the quiz. You will be presented with multiple choice questions, each displayed on screen for a short time. Please make sure to attempt answering all the questions. Quizzes help us to reinforce our knowledge, identify areas where we need to focus more, and improve our overall performance. Taking quizzes can also help to increase retention and make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. With that out of the way, you can answer along on quizalto.com. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. How does data loading and ingestion work in Amazon RedShift? Data must be manually loaded into Amazon RedShift using a client tool. Data can only be loaded from Amazon S3 buckets. Data can be loaded from various sources like Amazon S3, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon EMR, and other databases using copy, insert, or AWS data pipeline. Data cannot be loaded or ingested into Amazon RedShift. It is a read-only service. What security best practice applies to Amazon RedShift clusters? Storing data unencrypted. Using the same password for all users. Leaving security groups open to public access. Granting least privilege access to IAM users. What are the options for data backup, recovery, and disaster recovery in Amazon RedShift? Amazon RedShift provides automatic backup and restore capabilities, as well as cross-region snapshot copy for disaster recovery. Manual backups and restores must be performed regularly. Backup and recovery options are only available through third-party tools. Amazon RedShift does not provide any backup or recovery options. How can you monitor and manage Amazon RedShift clusters and workloads? Manual monitoring and management processes must be implemented. Amazon RedShift does not provide any monitoring or management capabilities. Monitoring and management can only be done through third-party tools. Amazon RedShift provides monitoring metrics and logs through Amazon CloudWatch, as well as query monitoring and workload management features. What is a use case for Amazon RedShift Spectrum? Creating a serverless data pipeline. Analyzing historical sales data stored in S3. Managing user authentication. Building a NoSQL database for real-time applications. What is the purpose of sort keys in Amazon RedShift? To control user access and permissions. To pre-sort data for efficient range-restricted queries. To determine data distribution across compute nodes. To compress and encode data for storage optimization. What is the primary purpose of Amazon RedShift? Running transactional applications. Data streaming. Data warehousing for large datasets. Building serverless applications. What is the purpose of the Amazon RedShift Advisor? To manage user access and permissions. To schedule and execute ETL jobs. To provide recommendations for optimizing performance, cost, and operational efficiency. To configure automatic backups and restores. How does RedShift differ from a traditional relational database on cost? Offers a fixed monthly cost regardless of usage. Requires upfront investment in hardware. Has a per-transaction pricing model. Scales storage and compute independently, allowing for cost optimization. What disaster recovery strategy can be implemented with Amazon RedShift? Manual restoration from backups stored in S3. Automatic failover to a secondary cluster in another region. Both automatic failover and backups. Granting least privilege access to IAM users. What are the key features and benefits of using Amazon RedShift? It is easier to set up and manage than other solutions. It offers higher availability than other data warehousing solutions. Highly scalable, fast query performance, compression and columnar storage, integrations with other AWS services, and pay-as-you-go pricing. It provides more advanced security features than other solutions. What are the different node types and configurations available for Amazon RedShift clusters? There is a single node type and configuration available for all Amazon RedShift clusters. The node type and configuration are automatically chosen by Amazon RedShift based on the data size. There are several node types with varying CPU, memory, and storage configurations to choose from based on workload requirements. The node type and configuration cannot be changed once the cluster is created. What is the purpose of the Amazon RedShift federated query feature? To optimize data distribution across compute nodes. To query and combine data from multiple data sources, including Amazon S3, Amazon Relational Database Service, and other databases. To compress and encode data for storage optimization. To back up data and create snapshots. How can Amazon RedShift be integrated with other AWS services like Athena, Glue, or QuickSight? Amazon RedShift can only be integrated with AWS services related to storage and data transfer. Amazon RedShift can be integrated with Athena for querying, Glue for ETL, and QuickSight for data visualization. Integration with other AWS services is only possible through third-party tools. Amazon RedShift cannot be integrated with other AWS services. What is the purpose of the Amazon RedShift cross-region snapshot copy feature? To compress and encode data for storage optimization. To optimize data distribution across compute nodes. To copy snapshots across AWS regions for disaster recovery and data migration purposes. To back up data and create snapshots. Can Amazon RedShift be used for machine learning workloads? Limited to supervised learning algorithms. Requires custom development for machine learning. No, it's not optimized for machine learning tasks. Yes, with integration with Amazon SageMaker. What is the purpose of the explain command in Amazon RedShift? To back up data and create snapshots. To view the query execution plan and identify potential performance bottlenecks. To optimize data distribution across compute nodes. To compress and encode data for storage optimization. What is the purpose of workload management in Amazon RedShift? To manage query concurrency, prioritize workloads, and prevent queries from consuming excessive resources. To optimize data distribution across compute nodes. To back up data and create snapshots. To compress and encode data for storage optimization. What type of data can be loaded into Amazon RedShift? Unstructured data. Structured data. Real-time data streams. All of the above. How does Amazon RedShift handle data concurrency? Limited to read-only operations. Requires manual locking of tables. Multi-node clusters enable parallel query execution. Offers atomic transactions for data updates. What is Amazon RedShift Spectrum used for? Building machine learning models. Analyzing data in S3 data lake without loading it into RedShift. Managing IAM roles. Creating a disaster recovery solution. What are the security features and best practices for Amazon RedShift? Amazon RedShift offers features like data encryption, access control, and integration with AWS identity and access management. Security features are only available through third-party tools. Security best practices for Amazon RedShift are not well defined. Amazon RedShift does not provide any security features. How is Amazon RedShift priced, and what factors affect its cost? It is priced based on the amount of data stored. It is priced based on the compute node hours used, with additional charges for backup storage and data transfer. It is priced based on the number of queries executed. It is priced based on the number of users accessing the service. What is the purpose of the unload command in Amazon RedShift? To back up data and create snapshots. To import data from various sources into Amazon RedShift. To export data from Amazon RedShift tables to various destinations like Amazon S3 or Amazon DynamoDB. To optimize data distribution across compute nodes. What is the purpose of the Amazon RedShift data sharing feature? To compress and encode data for storage optimization. To back up data and create snapshots. To optimize data distribution across compute nodes. To securely share live data across Amazon RedShift clusters and AWS accounts. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.